Well, many of you have seen the video that shows Chris Yoon talking crazy about Biden's an actor and all of this, where I told you that he's lost his mind and his followers have lost their mind because they don't live in reality. And I just want to share with you, I'm going to sit back and I'm going to play just some of his thumbnails, Chris Yoon, over the period of months here and let you make a determination for yourself so you can see how far this guy is out there. And you will get to see in the setback and look at the thumbnails, look at the topics, and you tell me, does this have anything to do with the gospel and message of Jesus Christ and bringing people to Christ, uplifting Christ, and all of that? It's stuff that has nothing to do with that, but somehow it's like some of you have said, it's a money grab, basically what it boils down to for these types of people. This guy talks conspiracy. Everything's a conspiracy. He reads into everything. Him, Troy Black is another one. We're going to get back to him because I ain't forgot about that guy. There's a lot that I need to deal with on him because he's gotten worse. Like I told you, all of these prophets, fake prophets and teachers, they've actually gotten worse. Have you noticed that? It's like the Lord is just peeling off the Band-Aid so you can see their wounded hearts and mind and where it's warped and where it's torn and broken. Marcus Rogers is having outbursts and he's all upset and going crazy. They're losing it is what's happening. But, we'll talk about them and we'll continue to expose them and expose anybody that's taking the Lord's name and dragging it through the mud and trying to make true Christianity look despicable, because that's what it does. That's when people that's not saved, people that look at other Christians that don't have anything to do with the church, and they look from the outside and they come across people like this, like a Chris Yoon or whatever. And then they'll go back and forth with their messages of trying to sound uplifting, trying to teach some biblical type stuff, trying to, sound like they're okay and they're rooted in the word of God. But then there's weight. Their true colors will show. They'll get back to preaching on politics, back to conspiracy theories and cute, all types of stuff. And here he is. Look at the thumbnails of this guy. This guy is supposed to be a messenger for the Lord. Well, I'm telling you, these are not messengers from the Lord. These are frauds that the devil has put in place, and they come in all shape, form, size, and colors, everything. So don't be deceived. Don't be a fall for the okie doke with these people, because the devil is trying to get the last laugh in people's lives, which he's doing pretty well at the moment, because there's thousands. This Chris Yoon, according to his channel, 196,000 subscribers. He was stuck at 195 for a long time. Now he's jumped up to 196. So he's at 196,000 subscribers that tune in and listen to this stuff, whether they all listen to or not, because, numbers are inflated on a lot of things. But there's still thousands of people, because when you go to videos of like him and many others that are sitting there wasting their time listening to wacky conspiracy theories that has nothing to do with the gospel message of Jesus Christ, nothing to do to bring glory to the Lord, glory to his name. That's what we're here for. We are here to bring glory to him. We are here to let our light shine and allow people to see the loving kindness and mercifulness of the Jesus Christ. And these folks don't have no mercy. They want death, as we continue to talk about that, because that's what they want. And as you'll see in one of these thumbnails of his, he's one of the ones too. It's always arrest. It's always death. It's always doom. It's always something. They don't care about lost people. They don't look at others and say, oh my, they need the Lord in them lives, in their lives. How can I do better? What can I do better as a Christian or as a person to make a difference for the kingdom? What can I do? They don't care about that. All they care about is money, fame, fortune, whatever it is. But we'll call it out on this channel, Continue to talk about issues your church run away from. Punch Satan right in between them chops. Evangelism for God is the channel. My name is Maurice Braxton. If you're new, consider subscribing. Hit like, coming along for the journey. We'll continue exposing these frauds and talking about things and marching forward. So until the next video, my friends, take care. God bless.